Financial freedom is more than just a buzzword, it's a lifestyle. Imagine waking up every day without money worries. Picture yourself making choices based on wants, not needs. Many think financial freedom is only for the rich, but anyone can achieve it with the right mindset and tools. It's about making smart choices with your money, living below your means and planning for the future. Financial freedom gives you control over your life. It allows you to pursue your passions and spend time with family without stress. You can travel the world or retire early. The possibilities are endless when you're financially free. This essay will show you how to achieve financial freedom. We'll cover practical steps and principles. Let's take that step together.
Financial freedom means different things to different people. At its core, it's about having enough money to live comfortably. It's about not being tied to a job you hate and having options in life. Financial freedom gives you the power to say yes to opportunities. For some, it means retiring early. For others, starting a business or traveling the world. The key is that you get to decide. Your money works for you, not the other way around. Financial freedom isn't about being rich, it's about being secure. It means having enough savings to cover emergencies and being debt-free. Achieving financial freedom requires discipline and planning. It doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategies, anyone can get there. We'll explore these strategies in the following sections.
To achieve financial freedom, focus on income. Your job is a good start, but it shouldn't be your only source of money. Think about creating multiple income streams. This protects you if one source dries up and helps you earn more overall. There are two main types of income, active and passive. Active income is money you earn for your time, like your salary or freelance work. Passive income is money you earn with little ongoing effort, like rental income or dividends. Start by maximizing your active income. Ask for a raise, take on extra shifts, or start a side hustle. Then focus on building passive income. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or buy rental properties. Create digital products or write a book. The goal is to have money coming in even when you're not actively working. This is key to financial freedom.
Budgeting is crucial for financial freedom. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about understanding where your money goes. A budget gives you control over your finances. Start by tracking all your expenses for a month. Write down everything you spend and categorize your expenses. Separate needs from wants and look for areas to cut back. Use the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. Spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and save or invest the remaining 20%. Adjust these percentages based on your goals. If you want to achieve financial freedom faster, increase the savings percentage. Stick to your budget, but be flexible. Life happens, and unexpected expenses come up. Review your budget regularly. As your income grows, resist the urge to increase spending. Instead, put that extra money towards your financial freedom goals.
Saving is the foundation of financial freedom. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Make saving a habit and pay yourself first. Set aside money for savings before you spend on anything else. Start with an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This gives you peace of mind and prevents you from going into debt when surprises happen. Keep your emergency fund in a separate savings account. Once you have an emergency fund, focus on other savings goals. Save for big purchases instead of using credit. Set aside money for retirement. Automate your savings with automatic transfers. Increase your savings rate over time. When you get a raise, put half of it towards savings. Small increases add up over time.
Investing is key to building long-term wealth. It's how you make your money work for you. Start investing as early as possible. Time is your biggest ally when it comes to investing. The power of compound interest can turn small, regular investments into significant wealth over time. Begin with low-cost index funds. These offer broad market exposure with minimal fees. As you learn more, diversify into individual stocks, real estate, or other investments. Always invest based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Educate yourself about investing. Read books, take courses, and follow reputable financial websites. Successful investing is about patience and consistency. Consider working with a financial advisor. Diversify your investments to spread risk.
Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. It's hard to build wealth when you're paying high interest rates. Make debt repayment a priority. Start with high-interest debt like credit cards. Use the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to pay off debt systematically. Avoid taking on new debt and live within your means. Use cash or debit cards instead of credit cards. If you must use credit, pay the balance in full each month. Don't buy things you can't afford. If you have student loans, explore repayment options. Once you're debt-free, stay that way. Use the money you were paying towards debt for savings and investments.
Financial freedom is within your reach. It's about making smart choices with your money. It's about developing good habits and taking control of your financial future. The journey starts with a single step. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Write down your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Set clear financial goals. Where do you want to be in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? Create a plan to get there. Take action today. Start tracking your expenses and create a budget. Open a savings account and learn about investing. Make a plan to pay off debt. Every small step moves you closer to financial freedom. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks along the way. Learn from your mistakes and adjust your plan as needed. With persistence and discipline, you can achieve financial freedom.